अच्छा प्रदीप, अपने बारे में बताइए, बैकग्राउंड, बीटेक और एजुकेशन, और किस चीज़ के लिए अप्लाई कर रहे हैं?
Sir, I did my B.Tech from Bundelkhand Institute of Engineering Technology, Jhansi, and I did my B.Tech in Electrical Engineering, and I applied for UPPCL AE interview, and this interview held on 8 December. Will be held on 8 December.
कब किया था बीटेक आप?
Sir, I applied for B.Tech in 2016 and pass out from 2020.
अच्छा, सब्जेक्ट क्या रहेगा आपके स्नैप का?
Sir, subject, sir, I think technical subjects.
हाँ, नाम बताइए ना, स्नैप में कौन?
Electrical machine, power system, power electronics, network control.
एक सब्जेक्ट एट अ टाइम वन होगा ना? आज बताइए क्या किसका देंगे?
सर समझ नहीं आया मुझे.
स्नैप क्या होता है? सब्जेक्ट वाइज होता है, ठीक है, किसी एक सब्जेक्ट
यस
का
यस
एक।
सर. सर
हाँ,
इलेक्ट्रिकल मशीन.
इलेक्ट्रिकल मशीन।
यस सर.
हम्म। अच्छी बताइए। ट्रांसफार्मर, ट्रांसफार्मर में फिगर ऑफ मेरिट किसको कहा जाता है?
सर फिगर ऑफ मेरिट मैंने ट्रांसफॉर्मर में नहीं पढ़ा सर. मैंने उसमें इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइसेस में पढ़ा था ये.
ट्रांसफार्मर में फिगर ऑफ मेरिट नहीं पढ़े हैं आप?
यस सर.
वोल्टेज रेगुलेशन क्या होती है?
सर वोल्टेज रेगुलेशन, इट इज द चेंज इन और वेरिएशन इन वोल्टेज फ्रॉम नो लोड टू फुल लोड
हम्म।
एट आउटपुट.
वोल्टेज रेगुलेशन कम होगी या ज्यादा होगी, किस चीज पे डिपेंड करता है?
Sir, if we increase the load, then voltage fluctuation will increase and it will increase the voltage regulation, and it depends on transformer parameters and also the load current.
व्हाट आर द पैरामीटर?
So generally it depends on resistance in windings and reactance in windings, and also the load current.
हम्म। ट्रांसफार्मर में इफिशिएंसी किस पे डिपेंड करती है? लोडिंग पे डिपेंड करती
तो ट्रांसफॉर्मर में एफिशिएंसी हमारी पावर फैक्टर पे डिपेंड करती है और
है?
हमारी लोडिंग पे भी डिपेंड करती है. अगर हम फुल लोड पे ट्रांसफॉर्मर को रन कराएंगे तो उसकी एफिशिएंसी हाफ लोड और 75% लोड से ज़्यादा आएगी एट सेम पावर फैक्टर.
अच्छा, अगर हम लीडिंग से लैगिंग में ले जाते हैं या लैगिंग से लीडिंग में जाते हैं तो एफिशिएंसी इंप्रूव करेगी या डिक्रीज करेगी?
सर सेम पावर फैक्टर रहेगा लीडिंग लैगिंग दोनों केस में.
एफिशिएंसी पे कोई इफेक्ट नहीं आएगा?
नो सर, एफिशिएंसी पे इफेक्ट नहीं आएगा.
अगर
लॉसेस
अगर
सेम
मैग्नेटाइजिंग
रहेंगे हमारे.
अगर मैग्नेटाइजिंग कंपोनेंट अगर आती है तो लॉसेस क्या, तो क्या वो लॉसेस इंक्रीज करेंगे या डिक्रीज करेंगे?
सर मैग्नेटाइजिंग कंपोनेंट नो लोड लॉसेस इंक्रीज करेंगे. अगर हम फ्रीक्वेंसी को इंक्रीज करते हैं फ्लक्स डिमांड बढ़ेगी हमारी.
और डिमैग्नेटाइजिंग कंपोनेंट?
Sir, magnetizing component, it appears in no load current. It is because our transformer core is not idle, so it need excitation. For this excitation, it requires excitation current, which gives magnetizing reactance.
हम्म। तो लीडिंग इज ए मैग्नेटाइजिंग कंपोनेंट और डिमैग्नेटाइजिंग कंपोनेंट?
Sir, magnetizing component generally it is lagging because it appears as an inductance.
No, no, I'm asking, is the lagging is a demagnetizing component or demagnetizing component?
Sir, it is lagging component.
And leading?
Sir, I don't know about this.
Okay. Have you any idea about the Scott connection? Why it is done?
Sir, I read about this, but I can't recall it exactly about sport question. But I think it is for changing the phase of supply from three phase to two phase or two phase to three phase.
What are the tests we generally do on the transformer?
So generally we do some polarity test, short circuit test, and no load test, and some other tests like heating test and insulation test. These are
How
some
the
tests.
how the power factor testing is being done?
So I don't recall it now, sir.
What is known as the routine test of a transformer?
Sir, I think in routine test we perform its uh, insulation level, its oil level in our test.
Okay. And in the oil, for determining the quality of the oil, what we generally do, and how the test of the transformer it is being done to determine the quality of the oil or the fault.
Sir, I don't know about this.
Okay. What is meant to be as a floating neutral?
Sir, floating neutral is generally appear due to third harmonic flux present in our transformer, and it gives a third harmonic EMF in our output, and which rise the output in a certain pattern, which appears as a floating in nature. That's why floating neutral appear. And if we connect our one single phase load to a floating neutral system, then its voltage fluctuate due to it.
Voltage fluctuate.
Yes, sir, in single phase.
Okay. Okay, Pradeep. Tell me one thing more. The transformer, right?
Yes, sir.
Can you draw the diagram, single line diagram of a transformer connecting to a load?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If I say you if we use the three-phase transformer,
Yes, sir.
okay, instead of using three single-phase transformer, which is more beneficial?
Sir, I think this depends on certain conditions. We can't say that this transformer is good or this way. First of all, the transportation is an important factor. The three-phase unit as a transformer is heavier and more difficult to transport at hilly stations and mountain regions. So we prefer three transformer banks rather than a single three-phase transformer. But in areas where we can easily transport it, we can prefer three-phase transformer because it gives much more
Okay.
benefits like increased efficiency rather in comparison to three-phase bank.
Okay, what are the must and the most condition for the parallel operation of a three-phase transformer?
So for parallel operation, voltage rating, voltage polarity must be same, phase sequence must be same, and phase displacement of parallel transformers must be same, and it belongs to same phasor group. For example, for delta delta connection must be connected to another delta delta connecting transformer.
Why we generally do the phasor?
Sir, can you repeat, please?
Why we generally study the phasor, and why
Sir,
the phasor is most important?
the phasors are the quantity which tells about the uh, any electrical quantity magnitude and its direction. We study phasor to get the uh, addition or summation or result of any quantity by adding them properly. And phasors are important to
Okay.
identify the.
Pradeep, listen.
Yes, sir.
See, your interview snap is over. I'm giving you some feedback regarding the preparation of the transformer and the electrical machine.
Yes, sir.
See, please go through the type of the testing. what is being done.
Sir,
Okay,
practical testing.
not practical testing. How the testing of a transformer is being done, right?
Okay, sir.
Mm. Lagging, leading. What are the effect on the efficiency?
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
how the size of a transformer it is being depend upon the voltage regulation or the leakage flux when comparing the size with the distribution transformer or the power transformer of the same rating. These type of question must be asked. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I want to ask something about practical questions related to transfer. Where should I study about these things? I don't have any exact content.
Do one thing, Google it regarding the question that I've asked. Should get the appropriate answer.
Yes, sir. For example, you asked me about routine testing
Yeah,
and
you will
oil
find it in the
testing.
Quora. You will find it in the Google.
Okay, sir, but I don't know all about means about topics, all the topics of practical things.
Generally testing, na? Testing. See practically how the transformer is being worked. Please go to there are many videos in the YouTube. Please go through this.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.